Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're having issues with your Pioneer Plasma TV or just want to start fresh, doing a factory reset might be the perfect solution. In today's video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to factory reset your Pioneer Plasma TV. Let's get started. First, make sure your TV is powered on. Grab your TV remote and press the menu button to bring up the main settings menu. Step 1. Navigating the settings. Now, using the arrow buttons on your remote, scroll down to the Setup or System option in the menu. Once you've highlighted it, press the OK or Enter button. Step 2. Finding the Reset option. In the Setup menu, look for an option labeled Reset, Restore Factory Settings, or something similar. The exact name may vary depending on your TV model. If you don't see it right away, check under submenus like Advanced Settings or System Settings. Step 3. Confirming the reset. Once you've found the reset option, select it and follow the on-screen instructions. The TV will usually ask you to confirm that you want to reset to factory settings. Use the arrow buttons to highlight Yes or OK and press the Enter button. Step 4. Reset process begins. Your TV will now begin the reset process. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it's done, the TV will restart automatically and you'll see the initial setup screen, just like when you first bought it. Conclusion. And that's it. Your Pioneer Plasma TV is now reset to factory settings. Keep in mind that this process will erase all custom settings, save channels, and connected devices. You'll need to set everything up again from scratch. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tutorials.